Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to start lesson number 14 from Madani Qaida, and today we will complete the cases of noon saakinah and tanween. In lecture number 12 we learn about two cases of noon saakinah and tanween, which are izhar and ikhfa. And in this lecture we will complete this topic and we will learn other two cases, which are idgham and iqlaab. So let's start our third case of noon saakinah and tanween, which is idgham. There will be idgham when a letter of your maloon comes after a noon sakin or tanween. Whenever a letter of your maloon, there are 6 letters: ya, ra, mim, lam, waw and noon. There are 6 letters which we call letters of your maloon. When these letters comes after a noon sakin or tanween, idgham will be done. So what's happened in idgham? In the case of ra and lam, idgham will be done without gunna, and in the case of the other 4 letters, idgham will be done with gunna. So there are two main options in the case of idgham. Whenever lam and ra came after noon sakin or tanween, we will do idgham but without gunna. Gunna will not be done in the case of lam and ra. But if ya, mim, waw or noon comes after noon sakin or tanween, we will do idgham, and idgham will be done with the gunna. There are 6 letters of ya maloon, and they are ya, ra, mim, lam, waw and noon. The easy way to remember this abbreviation is to remember just this letter: ya maloon, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw and noon. Okay, let me give the example of idgham. Yeah, here man yaqulu, noon sakin, and after noon sakin one of the letter from harf jar maloon came, so idgham will be done. Man yaqulu. The last case of noon sakin and tanween, iqlaab. If the letter ba is present after noon sakin or tanween, then there will be iqlaab. If harf jar maloon comes after noon sakin and tanween, idgham will be done. And if a letter ba comes after noon sakin and tanween, so we will do iqlaab. What is iqlaab? Change the noon sakin or tanween into a mim and do gunna. Okay. Idgham means to change the noon sakin or tanween into mim and do gunna from with nasalization. Let me give you example of iqlaab. So in this example, after noon sakin, ba comes, so we convert noon sakin with mim and do gunna. Mim ba'diha. So in this way. Okay, next one. Spell out idgham as follows. For example, mim, noon, ya, zabar, main, ya, zabar, ya, main, ya, qaf, waw, pesh, qu, main, yaqu, lam, pesh, lu, main, yaqulu. So in this way we will spell out idgham, and idgham will be spelled out as mim, noon, zir, min, ain, ba, ain, zabar, ba, mim, ba, dal, zir, di, mim, ba, di. So in this way we will spell out idgham and iqlaab. Let me summarize the rules of this lesson. First of all, we learn about idgham. What is idgham? We say that if harf yarmalun comes after nun sakin or tanween, idgham will be done. So how idgham will be done? There are two cases in the idgham. First one, in the case of lam and ra, idgham will be done without gunna. Okay, and the other four letters except lam and ra, idgham will be done with gunna. What are haruf idgham or haruf yarmalun? There are 6 letters of yarmalun, and we learned that ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, and nun. Secondly, we learned that what is iqlaab. We say that if after nun sakin or tanween a letter ba comes, so iqlaab will be done. And what is iqlaab? We change the nun sakin or tanween to mim and do gunna, and this is called iqlaab. And then we learned that how to spell out idgham and iqlaab. We spell out idgham. I give you example. Okay, so let's start our exercise. Firstly, this is idgham after nun sakin. One of the letters from yarmalun came, so idgham will be done. Mim, nun, ya, zabar, may, ya, zabar, ya, may, ya, qaf, waw, pesh, qu, may, yaqu, lam, pesh, lu, may, yaqulu. We will do idgham with gunna. Okay, second one, mim, nun, waw, zabar, mim, wa, zabar, wa, mim, wa, ra, zabar, ra, mim, wara, qaf, lam, ziqil, mim, wara, qil, jim, nun, zabar, jan, nun, zabar, na, janna, ta, zibti, jannati, min waraqil jannati, mim, nun, ya, zir, min, ya, waw, zabar, yaw, min, yaw, min, do, zir, min yaw, min. So in this way we spell out idgham. It will take a lot of time if I spell out all the given examples of idgham. So let me spell out the examples of iqlaab from here. Mim, nun, zair, min, ba, ain, zabar, ba, mim, ba, da, zair, di, mim, ba'di, mim, nun, zair, min, ba, qaf, zabar, baq, mim, baq, lam, zair, li, mim, baq, li, ha, alif, zabar, ha, mim, baq, liha, hamza, nun, zabar, an, ba, hamza, zair, bi, bi, ha, mim, pesh, hum, bi, hum, lam, zabar, la, sha, nun, pesh, yun, la, yun, ba, zabar, ba, la, yum, ba, za, nun, zabar, dhan, nun, zabar, na, dhanna, la, yum, ba, dhanna, qawlan balighan, خبيرا بصيرا, جنة بربوة, كرام بررة, حل بهذا, صم بكم. So this is our lesson number 14, in which we learn about the cases of nun sakin and tanween, and here the cases of nun sakin and tanween are completed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.